Hello students, today we are going to learn exercise 13.2. But before we start doing exercise, we need to know some important rules that will help us in the exercise. So what are the rules? Let us look at that. Here we have two numbers, a raised to the power m and a raised to the power n, and in between we have multiply sign. So what we will do, we will just write the base one time and we will add the powers like this, because base is same, okay, and powers are different. So we will write the base one time and plus the powers. So this is the first rule. Suppose for example you have a number 5 raised to the power 6, 5 raised to the power 7. So here 5 and 5, this is the base and this is powers exponent. So we will do it like this, 5 one time and we will add it 6 plus 7. So answer is 5 raised to the power 13. Okay, now take another rule. Second, a raised to the power m divide a raised to the power n. When you have same base and divide sign in between, so what you will do, write a one time and minus the powers. Okay, like for example 5 raised to the power 7 divide 5 raised to the power 3. So we have division sign here. So we will do it like this, 7 minus 3. 5 one time and powers in minus. So answer is 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, so it is clear. Now we look at third rule. If we have been given a question like this, a raised to the power m and the whole power is n, means you have a power on a power. So you just multiply the powers, m into n, because the base is only single here. So power will be multiplied like this. For example 5 raised to the power 3 and whole power is 2. So we will do it like this, 5 3 into 2 means we have the answer 3 to the 6, 5 raised to the power 6. So these are some basic rules that we will use in this exercise. So here is question number 1. Using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answers in exponential form. So this is the first question, and in this question we have been given 3 raised to the power 2, 3 raised to the power 4 and 3 raised to the power 8. And we can see here all the numbers are same, means base is same. And what is the sign here? Multiplication. So we will do it like it, 2 plus 4 plus 8. We have written 3 one time and we are doing addition of powers, 2 plus 4 plus 8. So what is the answer? 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14. This is the answer of this question. What rule we have used here? A raised to the power m into a raised to the power n equals to a m plus n. Okay, now look at second question. In this question we have the base same and we have division sign in between. So we will use second rule. We will write base one time and minus the powers, 15 minus 10. Answer is 5. Which rule we have used? a raised to the power m divide a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m minus n. Okay, so this is the answer. Now look at question number 3. A raised to the power 3 multiply a raised to the power 2. So we will do it like this: a raised to the power 3 plus 2, and the answer is a raised to the power 5. Which formula we have used here? A raised to the power m into a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m plus n. So this is the answer of third question. Now look at question number 4. In this question we have base, again same, 7. So we will plus the powers x plus 2. But in this question here one number is variable and other is constant. So we can't add variable with constant. So this is the answer of this question because we cannot solve it further. Now look at question number 5. In this question we have a power over a power. So we will solve it like this. First we will solve the power. 5 raised to the power 2 into 3. We will multiply the powers and it will remain same. Now 5 2 3 ja 6, and now here the sign is divide. 5 raised to the power 6 minus 3, and now 6 minus 3 is 3. So this is the answer. So what formulas we have used here? Here we used a raised to the power m whole power n equals to a raised to the power m into n, and here we have used a raised to the power m divide a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m minus n. Okay. Now look at question number 6. This question is little different. In this question we have power same but base are different. So we will do it like this: 2 into 5, and since power is same we will write it one time, and 2 5s are 10, power is 5. So this is the answer of this question. Now look at question number 7. In this question we have different base and powers are equal. So we will do it like this: a into b whole power 4. Since we can't multiply variables, so we will do it, we will write it like this: ab whole power 4. This is the answer. Now look at question number 8. Here we have a power over a power. So we will do it like this: 3 raised to the power 4 into 3. 3 raised to the power 4 3s are 12. So this is the answer of this question. Now look at question number 9. Here base is same and the sign is division. So we will minus the powers. 20 minus 15, and it will remain same. Now 20 minus 15, 5, 2 into 2 raised to the power 3. Now here base is same and powers are different, and the sign is multiply. So 2 5 plus 3 means 2 raised to the power 8. So this is the answer. Now look at question number 10. Here base is same and the sign is division. So we will write it like this: t minus 2. Since it is a variable and we cannot minus a variable from constant number, so it will be the answer of this question.